In this video, I'll show you how to remove or delete your credit card details from Instagram. The process is simple, but you just need to know where to find the right settings. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down until you see Orders and Payments and tap on it. Here, you'll see the payment section where your saved payment methods are stored. Tap on Credit or Debit Card. Wait for the page to load, and then you'll see the list of cards linked to your Instagram account. Choose the card you want to remove, and this will open up the details for that card. Scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll see the Delete option. Tap on Delete, confirm the action, and the card will be removed from your Instagram account. If you have more than one card saved, just repeat the same process for each card you want to delete. That's all it takes to remove or delete credit card details from Instagram. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free, with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.